Azuga AI SafetyCam OBD2 installation. In the box, you will find an Azuga AI camera, a mounting bracket, a hardwire power kit with fuse taps, specialty screwdriver, an OBD2 camera power cable, and an OBD2 Y cable. Before you begin, make sure you record the vehicle name, the camera IMEI number, and the serial number from the green Azuga GPS device. Your first step is to locate the OBD2 port on your vehicle. Next, you will plug the OBD2 Y cable into the vehicle OBD2 port. Depending on the location of the port and the vehicle type, you may need to temporarily unmount the OBD2 port or open dash components or access panels to connect and route the cable. With the Y cable plugged in, you will now have two open ports. Plug the green Azuga GPS device into one and the camera OBD2 power cable into the other. The GPS device will have a green LED that will stay lit for a few minutes. Pull enough of the power cable from the bundle to reach the camera's mounting location. Bundle all loose cables using zip ties or straps. Ensure the green Azuga GPS device and all cables are tied securely so they stay in place. Next, route the camera power cable up the vehicle A-pillar. In some vehicles, you can use the weather strip channel. In others, you may need to remove the A-pillar trim to ensure airbags are avoided. Continue routing the cable above the windshield by tucking it under the headliner. Next, determine a location to mount the camera. Ideally, it should be mounted high, near the center of the windshield, in a location that does not obstruct the driver's field of view. Many mount the camera below the rear view mirror. Consider the position of the camera in relation to the sun visors, window tint, and rear view mirror, all of which can obstruct the camera's view. Once the camera is powered on, you can access the menu on screen in order to see a live feed from the road and driver-facing cameras. Just tap on the screen and enter the PIN. It will be 3333 by default. This step is often easier with a second set of hands to hold the camera in place and test positioning until an optimal location can be found. Once the location is determined, ensure the area is cleaned completely with an alcohol wipe. Allow the area to air dry completely. Remove the plastic film covering the adhesive strip of the camera mounting bracket and press the bracket firmly onto the windshield. Once it is secure, slide the camera into the bracket and push the power cable into the channel on top. Use the live view on the camera to ensure both road and driver views are properly adjusted. The camera should have a clear view of the driver's upper body from top of head to lap. Once the camera is adjusted, tighten the adjustment screws on the side of the camera. Now that the camera is locked into position, you need to calibrate the sensors on the device. Tap on the screen, enter the PIN, and tap Settings. Scroll down until you see Calibration. Tap on Calibration. The icon will spin for a second and then it will say Done. Exit the menu. You should now only see a black screen with the gray car icon in the middle and a blinking red dot in the lower left corner. This indicates the camera is on and recording as it should. If the red dot is not blinking in the lower left corner or the camera is displaying any other icons on the main screen, please contact Azuga for troubleshooting assistance. After the camera is installed, it needs to be associated with the vehicle. On the Azuga web portal, navigate to the Admin tab. Use the search bar to find the serial number for the Azuga GPS device. Click on the Edit button next to the device serial number to edit the vehicle. This is where you can update the vehicle details. Make sure you scroll down to the associated SafetyCam field. Here you will use the search to locate the IMEI number for the camera installed in the vehicle. Select the camera and update the vehicle. If you are adding the camera to an existing vehicle, you can navigate to the Admin tab, then Devices, and click on SafetyCams. From here, You can search by the camera IMEI number, then click on the Edit button and choose the vehicle that is associated with the newly installed SafetyCam. If you have any questions or need technical assistance, please contact Azuga Customer Care or contact your Azuga account manager. Thank you for choosing Azuga.